Good evening. This is the live demonstration of the Android-based attendance system developed by Vaibhav, Anish and me, George, as a part of our final year project. Now, before viewing the total demonstration of this system, let me give you an overview of how this system is going to function. Basically, this system aims to solve the problems based on manual attendance systems by introducing an automated attendance system format using an Android application. The application and the project on the whole is built through different phases. The first phase comprising of the Android application, the second phase comprising of the server, and the third phase comprising of the tertiary application which prints the reports. Here is how the Android application is supposed to function. This is the main GUI screen of the application. The faculty would log in with his username and password. This would generate a complete list of the lectures and practicals he is supposed to take. Selecting a particular category would give him the list of students, which would allow him to check the number of attendance. Based on the check marks, an attendance is allotted to the student. A checklist is generated which shows the Boolean values. The attendance is stored in a temporary location. This location is used to store the temporary attendance data so that when the connection to the server is absent, the data can be stored in a safe and secure manner. Once the connection is received again, this data can be synced to the central server. This is the complete working of the Android application. The next phase of this project, which is the GUI, would be shown in the next video. The second phase of this project is the administrative application. This application was primarily developed in order to add student data, teacher data, and the data of particular subjects so that proper mapping could be done. As you see here, the navigation tab provides a subject entry field, a faculty entry field, a subject faculty entry, and the final defaulter generation field. The subject entry field has a column of subject name, year, department, and semester. It also allots the provision of selecting a theory subject, practical subject, and whether the subject is an elective subject or not. The faculty entry field first takes the professor name, designation, and department and makes a table out of it to be stored in the central database. The subject faculty entry field performs a mapping of both the above tables. It includes the department, the professor of the particular department, and the year where he teaches a particular subject. This is done so that appropriate attendance mapping can be performed. The final phase of this project is the defaulter generation. The defaulter generation is used to print a final report in an Excel sheet format. This is done based on the attendance taken every day by individual professors through the application. As you earlier saw the data being traversed through the application into the central server, this data is clubbed, merged, and then a report is made out of it for official purposes. As you click on the tab of monthly over here, a particular month's attendance would be rolled up and presented in an Excel sheet format. So here we see a complete format of the attendance taken. As we see earlier, the gap lectures have been taken and the attendance has been tracked and stored. The attendance is displayed in a percentage format as well as in numerical format where the total number of lectures and the lectures attended by individual students are given. This is the official format for publishing attendance in the Institute of TCET. Thank you.